Hello, welcome to the Text Animator Video Maker by Jaguar. In this short tutorial video, we'll show you how to set everything up and get used to the interface here. It's a pretty simple software to use, and if you've seen the other tutorial videos, you'll see that the video editor is all very similar to every other video maker that Jaguar has. So, once you get your email with the registration link and your software key, you'll click on that and then get your login details all set up. And once you log in, you'll be presented with this home screen here. And you can see all the different templates we have laid out. And these are pretty cool videos. It takes your text and makes it do all sorts of effects that really captivates your audience and tries to get your message across. So just like every other one, you can click on one of these and see what the video looks like. How the text dances around and all the special effects that go with the videos. So we can look at another one, for example. If you want, and also long too, almost a minute long compared to some of the other shorter videos. Different ones you can pick, and for example purposes you can let's just do this one. I'll say you say create video and it sets up the video. Just the video maker. For launch 3, 2, and you can see all the different scenes down here. So it's a pretty lengthy video. It's 40 seconds long. You can see up there on the top. 12 scenes, and it's pretty simple. You're just replacing the text, the dummy text, with whatever you want, and message can be in the character limit. Name your project up here. You can keep going through these scenes, and put whatever you want here. And then when you come to this one, obviously you get a choice to you pick your images, and you can just select the images here like we do for all the other video makers. Click it. You can upload your own, or you could go to the photo libraries and pick a bunch of royalty-free stock footage. So I'm gonna put the seagulls. Let's do that. So choose and auto crops it. And look, now there's Seagull over there. So basically, this is already lined up for how all this stuff's going to be displayed. You can just change the text and images to suit whatever it is that you're advertising. So, yeah, there's a lot of different scenes here. You can keep going through all of them. And you get to the end. It's where you put your logo in, make sure it's transparent, and, have that recommended size. You click next, and then here you can choose the colors. You can do blue or green or all these pre-selected ones. Come over here to custom colors, put your own in, then click next. You can go to the music tab. You can keep what was on there, which is already kind of selected for this template, or you could check something else out down here, and if you like it, hit the plus button and it'll add it to you. Or upload your own MP3, your voiceover, your own music, whatever you want. Click next, and guess what? Start rendering. That's it. Pretty simple. The video is going to be built in the background. The AI technology is going to do all the hard work. You just sit back, relax, and it'll email you once it's done too. So that's basically it. Just like all the other video makers we have in Video Jaguar, it's super easy to use. You can make an unlimited amount of these videos, totally customizable, and we also allow you to sell the videos too. You got full resale rights, and that's pretty amazing when you consider if you don't even have a business, like you can create a business out of this selling videos. So that's really, really handy to all the young entrepreneurs out there. But if you guys have any questions, there's a support tab here, or you can just email us support@videojaguar.com. We wish you guys the best of luck, and thank you.